It's going to be tough to sit like this. I've been using serum a lot lately, bro.
What'd you say?
Serum. I'll be using.
I thought you said sit on my lap.
Whoa, shit. I think I'll probably want to start up with like a key or some shit.
I forget you're good. I don't even have to pose. You know, it's fire. I could just listen to you make this shit, and I could just look at the view.
About to create the craziest bombs, bro.
This shit is so cool, bro. Oh, to make it, hold on, my bad. To make it a full circle moment before I forget. Yesterday I made a tutorial.
Okay.
And I did melody and then 808. And I said that I'm doing it like you. So now in this video, I'm letting you know, so it's full circle so we can connect them. But yeah, I've been, I don't know, probably like a week or two. But
make sure to go check that out, bro. Make sure to go check out that video.
That shit came out fire,
exactly.
Bro.
Because the thing is, I like to do my 808s first to create like the bounce and the rhythm. Because usually when I'm making the beat, I low-key want to add a bass always. Like I feel like adding a bass in there. But then I'm like, nah, let's just put the 808 in there, create the bounce, the rhythm. And the thing is, I come up with the craziest 808 patterns and like because normally you have like the two-step hi-hat and then the clap. Yeah. But then if you can really freestyle with the 808 with the bounce and then you add the rest according to it.
And
so
that's exactly how I felt when I did it.
Yeah, exactly, right?
Oh, that makes sense because I already know where the snare's going.
Yeah.
Right, and then the hi-hats, I don't because the bounce of that. But if I put the snare, then I'm like, all right, yeah,
exactly.
It made so much sense, bro. Bro is so locked in, he didn't even see that.
What did you do?
Nothing. You'll see it in the video, bro.
I feel like that is better.
Huh?
I feel like that is better.
Yeah.
More room.
Yeah. I like that pitch. You could go so many different ways with this beat.
Yeah, right.
Drum wise, yeah.
I'm gonna pass it over.
I need my mouse.
You want the mouse? It's all you.
Can you turn it? Can you turn it up just a little bit?
The volume?
It's so quiet for me, bro. I don't know.
It's crazy.
It must not be quiet for you.
This is for your headphones.
Oh, so how do you turn yours down?
This with this right here.
Oh wait, so when you turn this up, it doesn't affect you?
No.
Oh, turn me up,
crank
bro.
it up, bro.
Oh shit! I'm like listening to your melody, like fuck. I can hear it sometimes, but a car would come by.
Oh, goddamn. Yeah, sorry.
I don't know where I'm at.
Let me give you the mic.
Okay, way better, bro. Yeah. Hey, I remember control click, bro.
I'll make a story real quick.
I'm getting better at Mac, you guys. I promise I'm getting better at it. Okay, see? Here we go. I'm a Mac user now. Okay, see this one, I want it to be legato though.
So
I think this
you
one
press,
said.
And then right here, legato.
Oh, come on. Porto, I think this one. There we go, wait. Oh, this is gonna be, it could still go so many different ways, bro. Oh, see, that's what, okay, control. I'm a Mac user, I don't even need this shit anymore, bro. Fuck this mouse. Yeah. Thank you for grabbing that, bro. I was gonna get it. I was like, you know what, this shit might be funny. Let me just throw this shit. But then you got it, and I was like, fuck, now I feel bad.
Bro, this one time, some dude pulled up to the studio with a mouse. I was like, yeah, is it okay if I use my mouse because I don't know how to use Mac, with the trackpad, right?
Yeah.
And he was like, oh yeah, fine. Then all of a sudden he grabbed out his back like this car, like fucking mouse looking ass, but it was like in the shape of a car type. I was like, my dude, what?
This little kid mouse.
I was like, what the fuck? Yeah, I had this for 17 years now. I'm like, bro, get a new one. What the fuck? Pulling up to the studio session like that.
What type of car was it?
I don't even know, bro. It was a funny ass looking car. I was like, shit.
When you said that, I know exactly what you were talking about.
Yeah. You ever had that?
Not like that, and I've done a lot of studio, because you were engineering too, right?
Yeah.
I used to engineer as well, but nothing like, hey, this is kind of slippery. I'm trying to find some, I was on my headphone. No, it's slippery.
Yeah, I had my foot on that one in that gap.
Oh, that's better. Infinite's gonna be so mad at me. When I did his video with Mac, I was clicking shit, it was leaving FL Studio. I was tired as fuck. We had done it was with Lollipop, so we had done a whole session. We tried to do one for me at the end using Mac. Dude, we just stopped.
Like, well,
I just made him finish it. I couldn't put hi-hats because every time I click control, it fucking closed.
Just do some other shit.
Bro, it was bad. I was gonna ask you where shift was, but I just clicked that and it worked. Is that a Mac thing or because the keyboard different?
What? Shift?
There's no shift on Mac, huh?
Yeah, this is shift.
But is it on a Mac that's not from the EU, is it different? Will it say shift or will it be like that?
Oh no, it's always like that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Just so you guys know, bro, the keyboards are different.
Yeah, that's also a
all this shit's different. Right? You ain't never seen some shit like this, bro? It's all different. Remember at the session, no one knew? Yeah, and then went on your computer and Daniel was like, he couldn't type, bro. He was all fucked up. Bro, my fucking leg is killing me.
Right.
Let me switch over. And for anyone that doesn't know, we found a crazy tree. Oh, this is so much better, bro. Trying to balance yourself on the leg being straight out. Fuck, dude. I feel like that was more of a workout than the gym. Right here's on fire, bro. I was trying to be fucking man that shit out. I was like, my shit, you're gonna see in the video, my shit's gonna be like, it's gonna start shaking, bro.
Oh, shit.
Okay, I wanna add a piano, but I don't know where we're going with this beat, because I feel like if I put a piano, it's gonna bring it one way. So I might just wait.
Bro. Fuck it.
I might just, all right, my bad. What's a good piano? Like a dark piano that you got?
You can also bring in the orchestra or Labs. Labs has dark piano.
Whichever one you think. I really like the SRX strings. And we're gonna make, you ever made a West Coast beat?
Yeah.
Yeah? We're gonna make some, with Infinite, we're gonna make some West Coast for
I don't know the whole bounds though. But
it's okay, we'll do like two-step hi-hat type of one.
Yeah, okay.
You said this one?
Yeah.
I really like this VSC. Infinite, this is in a lot of West Coast shit too.
This plugin?
Mm-hmm. If this shit, if we go a different way with the beat, just delete this shit. I'm not tripping. As long as you leave one thing I did, delete everything, bro. If you take me out the whole collab, that's fucked up. At least don't take me out the whole collab.
The video, you're just nowhere to move on.
You even cropped out the fucking view? Bruh.
sometimes I be cooking up on the train, and then when I'm so like locked in on the beat, well, like I just carry the computer like this through the train station.
That's fire.
And just cook up.
Moving out of people's way and shit, just going. That's hard. It's a next level cookup, bro. Hey, I'm sorry, bro. This shit is so fucking cool.
Right.
I was just chilling, bro, just looking out, because I forgot I don't have to be like looking at the video, and I just like, I don't know what's about to happen. I just hear the wait, boom. Fucking look behind, bro. Look at that shit.
Santa Monica.
This shit is crazy,
yeah, that's beautiful.
Bro. Big GTA, man.
That's beautiful.
The beat's gotta be called
shit.
GTA, bro.
Real shit. How to make a GTA type beat.
It's crazy, man.
Right.
I'll try to take this shit in. This is crazy.
It's like count your blessings.
This shit is iconic,
shit,
bro. Like
right?
we're doing a fucking cook-up.
Yeah,
I never made a beat outside.
Really?
No.
Bro, I do
and
it
like
all
this,
the time.
This is
I do. This is the high I'm
Collab.
chasing always, bro.
Dude.
You see why I'm traveling so much, bro?
I see it. We gotta talk about that too, because I'm trying to.
Bro. I get highs like this because of like.
I'm high as fuck right now.
Yeah, high of life, bro. Real
Shit is
shit.
amazing,
Like,
bro.
just adding some like phrases or effects. My ass is hurting. Oh shit.
40 minutes, let's go.
Yeah.
Cook time.
I think the beat is pretty much done.
Add a snare.
I just need like.
I'll put a snare, that's it.
Shit. That's fire though. Yeah. What?
I'm doing Mac stuff, bro. Okay. I'm gonna have to have you do this, bro. It's like I'm forgetting the controls. This is not gonna work. Here, just add a counter snare. Hold up. I keep like hitting command. I had it at first, and I feel like my brain just forgot. But however you want, wherever.
Not the best part, structuring.
They're going stupid over there, bro.
beat is done. So what do you think?
Fire.
Yeah, right. It's hidden, right?
Hell yeah. I really like. Is the 808 from your pack too?
Yeah, yeah.
I like that shit.